Second job for today, it's an iPhone 13 Pro Max battery, and this one actually really annoyed me. She had the back glass done not too far away from my shop. They probably done a laser machine. She had to go back because she had other problem, but now this is what's happening. We have a pregnant battery because I got a feeling that they damaged the battery and that's why it's blowing. So we're gonna go and get that one done. So out, get our guitar pick, and this is opening just too easy. Oh my lord, the missing screw, the battery is all puffed up, missing screw again. That really annoys me when they use our black sponge. Doesn't work either. Look at that, look at that. 3 seconds and the battery is already coming out. They just put 2 little stickers. Have a look. This is just so bad. Very bad job. They just put. Anyway, customer wanted to go with the aftermarket battery. This one, it's same as the original one, and it will configure with the iOS 18.1. We'll build the proper sticker. Plug it in.